Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this face. This is very easy cartoon face. Anyone can model this type of face. So I'm going to model this face in Blender today, and I'm going to try it. I'm trying to match the face profile to with our model as much as possible. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our face. If you have more time, you can adjust more vertices and get accurate result like this. But this is my face. If you have more time, you can adjust more vertices. This is the wireframe mode. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.